This is the homemade emergency lamp that never goes out. You will never buy a candle again, and you will say goodbye to the blackouts by preparing this easy lamp using a few ingredients that you surely already have in your house. To start, we are going to need a glass jar. You don't need to buy a new one, since you can use one of those old ones that you no longer use. We will also use a piece of cotton thread. It can be one of those that mops use. With the help of a nail, we will make a hole in the lid of the jar. You must do it very carefully, making sure that the diameter of this is the correct one so that the thread passes. We also need an aluminum lid like this, and in the same way, we will also make a hole similar to the one we already made in the lid of the jar. It is super important that the lid we use is made of aluminum to be able to work. With the help of a scissor, we will cut a piece of thread that is more or less a size similar to that of the jar so that it fits well. Now we pass it through the holes of both lids as I show you. I would like to know what country or city you are watching us from to send you a special greeting in the next video. Today's greeting is for Jennifer Perez from Colombia. Thanks for watching and enjoying every tip. Once the thread is threaded, as fuel for the lamp we will use traditional kitchen oil. You can use the brand you prefer, no matter if the oil is new or if it is an old one that you had saved. This is the best thing about this lamp, which can be done quickly with recycled materials. This lamp does not go out and can last all day on. Next, we are going to pour a quarter of the oil into the jar and then stir well until all the thread is moistened. It is important that it is completely moistened, otherwise the candle will not last long on and it would be ready. Now we are going to test our lamp. As a final step, I will light it using a lighter. The oil in the bottom will make it last longer on. The oil in the bottom will make it last longer on. As a final step, I will light it using a lighter. The oil in the bottom will make it last longer on. After the oil is used up, you just have to fill it up again and it will work like new. If this is the first time you have seen one of our tips and found it useful, remember to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you made it this far, leave me the phrase emerging lamp, so I'll know you saw the full video. See you next time.